Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor actually supports audio output, built-in speakers, 3, 5mm jack or HDMI audio. Once done, connect the HDMI cable from the Xbox One to the monitor. If using external speakers, plug the 3, 5mm cable into the monitor or use an optical adapter to an A/V receiver. Open the Xbox settings, go to Display and Sound so you can choose the correct audio output. Doing this first prevents wasted troubleshooting later and establishes the signal path. Now you configure the Xbox audio output so the signal matches your monitor or speakers. In Settings, Display and Sound audio output, choose HDMI audio if the monitor handles sound, or optical if using separate gear. Set HDMI audio to stereo uncompressed for simple monitors or bitstream for receivers. This ensures compatibility and reduces decoding errors. Adjust volume and check party/chat mix so game audio and voice are balanced. Make these choices deliberately because mismatched formats often cause no sound issues. Finish by testing. Launch a game or media app and listen for sound from the monitor. If you hear nothing, make sure the monitor is on the correct HDMI input and volume isn't muted. Then reseat the HDMI/3, 5mm cables and restart the Xbox. If still silent, switch to headset via the controller's 3, 5mm port. This isolates whether the Xbox outputs audio. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the HDMI with another display or use a different cable. Bad cables or faulty.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.